Hey, what's going on everyone? Joel here. St. Patrick's Day is almost over, but before the day ends, I wanted to show you all one of my favorite alcoholic drinks to take on days like this when the color to be celebrated is green, or when my favorite college basketball and football team plays, the Michigan State Spartans. We take this shot a lot around here. It's called a grasshopper shot. I've also heard it called a Thin Mint shot. We call it a Spartan shot sometimes. Whatever you want to call it, it's an awesome, delicious, green, alcoholic beverage to shoot. So I'm going to show you how to make it today. I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need. If you're under the age of 21 or 18 or whatever your drinking age is, please just get a Shamrock Shake from McDonald's. That will hold you over until you are of legal drinking age. For all of you adults watching this video, here's how you make it. Just so you guys know, this is also linked in the description. If you don't want to listen to me talk, you can just grab the recipe from the link at the top of the description. We're going to be doing double this recipe so we can make 4 shots. What we need is Stoli vodka, or any vodka, but the recipe specifically recommends Stoli. We also need creme de menthe. This is going to give it the nice minty taste and the green color. Next, we need creme de coco, or cacao. Not entirely sure how to say it, but it has a chocolatey taste to it, and you want to make sure you get either the white kind or the clear kinds, because there is a brown kind, and if you mix the green and the brown, it's not going to look so nice. It'll taste the same, but this is all about looks, so get the clear one. Finally, we need some type of creamer, and I just had Bailey's French vanilla in the fridge, so I'm using that. You could use typical cream from the store, some other type of coffee creamer, or milk if you only have milk. And of course you need something to mix the alcohol with, so I have a cocktail shaker here and a bar jigger. If you don't have those things at home, you can use a shot glass or eyeball the amount of alcohol you're using, and 2 glasses filled with ice to shake them together. Now on to the mix. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is fill your cup or cocktail shaker, whatever you're using to mix the drink up, with ice. Then you're gonna pour in ½ an ounce of Stoli, 1/4 ounce of creme de menthe, 1/4 ounce of creme de coco, and 1 ounce of creamer. Shake that bad boy up, and then it's ready to pour. The lights I'm using on this video kind of make the green look a little lighter than it actually is, but you could add more creme de menthe to increase the green color. Overall though, I think it's a very nice emerald light green, and now it's ready to drink. All right, so here it is once again. The Grasshopper Shamrock Shake St. Patrick's Day green shot, whatever you want to call it. My mustache is falling off, so I gotta take this. Cheers. Tastes like a...
That's really good.
Yeah, Thin Mint.
Like a Thin Mint.
Yeah. We have made this without the creme de coco before, so sometimes it doesn't have that chocolatey taste, but we got the good stuff today, and it was very delicious. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below, and have a great rest of your holiday.
Bye.
How's it look?
Good.
I look like an Irish pimp.